Hey everybody, this is Matt Rogers coming to you with a tutorial on creating a Google Classroom header while using Google Slides. So here we go. First thing you're going to go is go to your waffle and click on Slides. Go ahead and click on blank. And the first thing you should always do while having a document open, whether it's a Google Doc or Google Slide or Google Sheet, is give it a name. So this will be Google Classroom header. Now that we've got it named, the next thing we want to do is go ahead and choose layout. And lots of different layouts, but what we're going to do is choose blank to get rid of those text boxes on top of the slide. And now that those are removed, we need to format the slide to the custom size of the Google Classroom banner. So we're going to go up to File, and we're going to go to Page Setup. Currently, it's set to widescreen. You have standard, you have the other ratio, 16:10. But what we're going to choose is custom. And the custom size for the Google Classroom banner is 16.67 by 4.17. And when I click apply, it will no longer be the, widescreen. It'll be the custom template. You see that the slide now is smaller. Okay. So now it's time to have a little fun. So what we can do is over here with themes, we can go ahead and X out of that. We're not going to add any themes. So the first thing that we can do is go to Insert, and we're going to go to Image, and we can choose Search the Web. And what that will do is over here on the right-hand side, it will open up Google Images, and we can now search for backgrounds. So let's just type in floor, walls, room. There's one here that you can scroll through. You can type in different things. This one would work. You could stretch it out, but for now, I will just use this one here. Let's see if this works. See if that'll let me drag it over. It doesn't, and that's fine. So we'll try this one. All right. So we have this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it from, this will be our background. So we're just simply going to, in this case, we are going to stretch the background to fit that. Okay. So that can be our background for now. And if you look back over here on the right, you'll see there's tons. Some are good, some aren't. But by your criteria that you search up here, you can pick different things. But for now, we'll be happy with this background. So the next thing that I would like to add is a couch. Now, keep in mind, for this program, I'm using the Bitmoji that I created. So that looks like a cartoon. So, and also we want transparent. Transparent, I want to add a couch. And since our Bitmojis are like cartoons, I'm going to type cartoon. You want transparent because that won't show the background of the image. So we can look through here. You can pick all kinds. I'm going to go, you could go with whatever color you wanted, but I'm going to go with this one right here. So then you can just take the corner, start to resize it. You can make it a little bigger, a little smaller. That looks good. I'm going to keep my couch right there. Okay. So next, what you can do is, let's go ahead and add a table. So I'm going to leave transparent and cartoon in, and I'm just going to remove couch and put table. Okay. So we have a couple different ones. Find something that you like. I'm going to use this little tabletop right here. And if you look, want to be able to put this next to the couch, but it's in front, and I don't want that. So what you can do is with each image, you can right click and choose order. This will be important throughout this process. So send backward, that will go back one layer. It'll go behind the image that it is. If you click send to the back, that will go all the way back, and it will probably even go behind your floor and wall image. So we're just going to click send backward. And if you see there, oh, and if you make a mistake, just press Control Z, and that'll work the same. I'm currently going to use my arrows on the keypad. And let's go ahead and shorten that table a little bit. I can bring it out. I'm happy with that right there. Let's see, if I'm sitting on the couch, I'm going to go ahead and, a little cup of Joe. So I'll just type in coffee for all those coffee drinkers out there. Choose one that you like. I'm going to choose that one. And you notice that it's got the white border, but because it's transparent, that border goes away. So let's resize it pretty small. And let's put that on the table. A little cup of Joe. Let's see. What else can we put on there? How about some flowers? Flower vase. See what happens there. Not bad. Let's drag this over. Now, simply let it load, resize, put that on top. Now, if I get it close now, I just use my arrows on the keyboard. Okay, yeah, sure. Looks great. Now, let's see, what else could we add? Let's see, let's type in, I don't know, bookcase, for example. So we have some here. You scroll through, yeah, whatever. I'm gonna use this one here. I like to make it quick, make it simple. We'll add that. Maybe I want the wheels a little closer. Let's make that a little smaller. And the thing is with Google Classroom, you really don't typically have to put your class name in here. You can put your name, but you don't have to put like first period, third period, fourth period, second period, whatever. Because when you import it into the Google Classroom header, right over here on this side, that's where Google will automatically put your title of your classroom. So I typically always leave this space blank. Okay, that's just my preference. So let's look, what else can we add? Let's go back here. We'll leave transparent in there and type in, or no, I'm gonna take rid of transparent. I wanna name, let's get a floor rug. Let's see what happens if I leave cartoon in there. That might be bad. There's one right here. You could probably type in just floor rug, but I'm not picky. I'm gonna drop it in. Now, here's where we're gonna get a little custom. If you just simply shrink it, that doesn't look bad, but let me show you a little tip. I mean, you don't wanna make it real small like that. That just, whatever, I don't like it. So I'm gonna stretch it back out, and then I'm gonna move it right up here so it gets next to the floorboard there, and I'm gonna double click. When you double click, you're able now to crop the image. You don't have to click it, it's just highlighting. And you can tell you can crop it because it has these black corners on it. So I'm simply gonna take it, and I see my cursor changes, and I'm gonna drag it up. So it doesn't shrink the carpet, it just crops it. So now it looks like it's right there. And you know what? I may wanna take it a little longer. Let's get it underneath the couch. And maybe a little bit under the bookcase. But hey, you can't have the carpet in front of the couch. That's nonsense. So go ahead and click right click, choose order. What do we click? Send backwards. Let's try it again. You might have to do it a couple times. Let's see. I might be doing this wrong, but click backward. Let me try it one more time. And if that doesn't work, I'll show you one more thing. Okay, click the couch and click bring forward. Boom. Same thing with the coffee table. I guess you start with the bottom up, I guess. Order, bring forward. Boom, that's now sitting on there. The bookcase is sitting on there. Man, it's looking good. It's coming together. Okay. How about another little coffee table, maybe? Or like, one of those tables you just like put in the middle of your floor. I mean, to get rid of coffee and just put in, hold on, let's erase that. Transparent. Transparent table cartoon. Let's see. I'll do this one right here. It looks like what, bamboo or something. I'm in for that. Sounds good. Wood, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little smaller. We'll just put that on the rug, and then I'm gonna use my keyboard, move my arrows up, and maybe make it a little smaller. There you go. Maybe put that right there. And then, you know what? Add some more flowers to it. Why not? Or let's see, that would be a flower vase. Yeah, boom, let's put that on there. I'm not even gonna put flowers in it. Now I'm just kind of finding random crap to put on there. Okay, so yeah, you got a vase. You could put one more thing on that, whatever. Okay, so here, I'll just drag this over, keep it happy. Trying to get that feng shui. Oh, I think that flowers has a speech bubble. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it in there. Okay. So we have that. Let's go ahead and add our Bitmoji in. So I'm gonna click the Bitmoji app that you should have it installed, and let's type in sit, see if that works. All right, here's one right here. I'm gonna drag them over, and I'm gonna use my keypad. Okay, let's make them a little smaller. Not bad, not bad. Get them up, get them over there. Is he a guy that sits in the middle of the couch, or does he sit on one end? Let's put him there. And you know what? He needs a laptop. I'm a tech guy. Laptop. Let's see what pops up. Oh, yes. Let's use this one right here. Drag it in. Shrink. And now I'm going to use my arrows on the keyboard to get it exact. I'm going to move that over. Look, that's almost perfect. Man. I'm going to go slightly bigger. Boom. Look at that. Getting work done, man. Getting work done. All right. So we have that. Let's see. Let's add a window. Okay. Man, there was one window. Look at that. That looks kind of cool. Let's use that. That's a good one. I used that one earlier. I saw somebody else use it. I saw Tammy using it. So let's put that up there. Let's make it a little bigger. Look at that. Boom. Window. It's a beautiful sunset going on back there. All right. Now let's do transparent indoor plant. Indoor palm tree. Let's see if anything pops up. Indoor, let's get rid of palm. Indoor tree. Is that a thing? No love. Indoor plant. Indoor fern. Vase. All right, I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to use, which one I like? I think I'm going to go here. Drag that down. You know what? Could I put it over there? That's fine, because the words will cover over that, so I'm all right with that. Just don't put anything key on this side. We'll put it up there. Yep, looks great. Looks great. And let's see. How about a picture frame? Is that a thing? Picture frame. Let's get rid of the word vase. And not seeing any really good ones. Let's just type in frame. Nothing there. Let's get rid of cartoon. And let's type in picture frame. All right, these might be doable. Let's go gold here. That's fine. Okay, so we'll resize that. And that is transparent, so that's good. So what I'm not going to do here now, but you are more than welcome to, and I'm going to stretch it this way a little bit, is if you have a family photo or whatever you want to do, or a picture of your dog. Ooh, we can maybe put a dog in there. You could literally like upload a picture from your Google Drive and put it in here to where it looks like it's framed. That could be kind of cool. But let's see if we have a transparent black dog. Let's go cartoon. Let's see. I was trying to find like a black lab. My God, look at that one. All right, so we'll just we'll use this little dude. We'll drag the dog in. Fido. So you could put him there, or let's see what he looks like here. Sitting up on the couch, you know. Yeah. So, you know what? I think we're good to go there. So if you want to insert your picture, you can do that. All right, so if you do have a picture, I have one right over here. Here's some pictures of some co-teachers. Let me see if I can just drag it over. I don't know if it'll let me do it or not. Oh, let me see. Yep, so here's some of my fellow teachers, and you can really just resize it, and then I'm just gonna make that frame a little smaller. Yeah, so there you go. And if you wanted to move both those things, I'm clicking outside the white box here. Nope, you can't do that. So you just have to move it individually and then move that over. So that's going to be it for my tutorial. Well, actually, let me show you how you do it. So you can do it one of two ways now to save the image. You can go File, Download as a JPEG. That's an option, and then save it wherever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the snipping tool. My cursor changes. And snip it, you see that you have that image right there. And then you can go ahead and save that, and you can upload that to your Google header, Google Classroom header. So I hope everybody enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Let's have a little fun, get some creativeness going, and let me know how it goes. Thanks.